The year is 2085. Humanity has reached farther into space than ever before. But every launch has come with a cost. Rocket fuel has become increasingly expensive. Every mission consumes enormous resources, and the atmosphere continues to bear the burden. After decades of research, scientists unveiled one final hope, the Space Maglev launcher. If successful, this technology could redefine how humanity reaches space. A launch system unlike anything ever built. This technology could redefine how humanity reaches space. Among the engineers was one young student, Aiden.
I've only seen it in simulations.
Hidden among the mountains stood humanity's greatest engineering achievement, a place where science, innovation...
It's even more incredible than I imagined.
Built across mountains and powered by electricity, the launcher was designed to send spacecraft toward space with far less fuel than traditional rockets. Everything depends on today's launch. Sometimes, the best teacher is curiosity itself.
A guide. To understand the future, we must first understand physics. And today, physics will tell its story.
Physics is not just a collection of equations. It is the language that explains how the universe works.
Let's begin with the force that allows the spacecraft to float.
How can magnets send a spacecraft into space without using huge amounts of fuel? Every great discovery begins with a simple question.
Magnetic fields are invisible, but their effects are everywhere. Before we understand the launcher, we must first understand magnetism. Opposite poles attract. Like poles repel.
So magnets can move objects without touching them. Exactly. These simple rules form the foundation of magnetic levitation. Instead of resting on wheels, the spacecraft floats above the guideway using magnetic forces. It's completely floating. Without physical contact, friction is dramatically reduced, allowing energy to be used far more efficiently. Less energy wasted means more energy available for acceleration. Instead of one powerful push, thousands of electromagnets work together, each adding a little more speed. So every magnet only works for a moment? Exactly. Timing is everything.
A linear synchronous motor is simply an electric motor stretched into a straight line. So, the spacecraft becomes the moving part of the motor. Precisely.
Each magnetic pulse adds a little more speed, until the spacecraft is moving faster than any train ever built.
It's accelerating without burning any fuel.
Objects remain at rest, unless acted upon by an external force. This is Newton's first law. Whether it's a simple ball or a spacecraft, motion begins only when a force acts upon it.
So the launcher doesn't break Newton's laws.
It succeeds because it follows them.
Levitation is only the beginning. The same magnetic forces can also make the spacecraft move. Now, watch what happens when every magnet works together.
This is Newton's second law.
So stronger magnets don't just pull harder, they make the spacecraft accelerate faster.
Force, mass, and acceleration are connected by one of the most important equations in physics.
Engineering begins with understanding relationships like these.
When the launcher pushes the spacecraft forward, the spacecraft pushes back with an equal force. So both objects experience the force.
Exactly. The forces act on different objects.
The launcher doesn't create energy. It converts electrical energy into motion. Every joule of motion begins as electrical energy.
Because velocity is squared, even a small increase in speed greatly increases kinetic energy. That's why reaching high speed before using rockets is so important. Exactly.
If it's already so fast, why doesn't it just fly into orbit?
The launcher provides an extraordinary beginning, but reaching orbit requires much more than speed alone. Knowledge transforms uncertainty into confidence.
Now you're ready to witness history.
Thank you.
All stations, report.
Power nominal. Magnetic field stable. Trajectory confirmed.
Every calculation had been checked. Every system stood ready.
Electricity surged through the launcher, preparing to transform energy into motion.
Launcher fully energized.
3, 2, 1.
History was about to change.
The journey began not with fire,
but with precision.
Vehicle in motion.
The launcher added more speed.
Acceleration is perfectly within predicted limits.
Humanity had launched a spacecraft using the power of physics.
It actually worked.
Humanity had launched a spacecraft using the years of research, engineering, and perseverance had led to this moment.
The launch inspired a new generation.
Teacher, who invented the Space Maglev launcher?
It wasn't invented by one person. It was built by generations of people who understood physics. Every great innovation stands upon the knowledge of those who came before. Understanding nature is the first step toward exploring it. Every equation understood today becomes tomorrow's technology.
Physics is more than equations. It explains how our universe works. The future is not imagination alone, it is built by STEM.